Hello students, welcome all of you in Mehta PG College online tutorial. Topic is type of life cycle. सेशन 4 जो हमारा यहाँ बन रहा है उसमें आज हम डिस्कस कर रहे हैं फिफ्थ टाइप ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल प्रपोज्ड बाय फ्रिश, हैप्लो डिप्लो डिप्लॉन्टिक लाइफ साइकिल. इट इज़ ऑल्सो ए ट्राईफेजिक लाइफ साइकिल. मीन्स थोड़ा सा इसको एलिब्रेट कर देते हैं. मीन्स सिंगल हैप्लॉइड फेज जिसको हम पेरेंट्स कह रहे हैं, गैमिटोफाइट. हैप्लॉइड फेज एल्टर with two diploid phases. With two diploid phases कौन कौन सी हैं? कार्पो, स्पोरो, फाइट एंड थर्ड वन इज टेट्रा, स्पोरो, फाइट. Here zygote is formed by a fusion of gametes. So a tetra diploid phase is also represented by zygote, but it is very small and very for few time, so negligible. So that life cycle represent by a circular diagram. Gametophyte plant thallus is an first of all, like haploontic, they can be reproductive organs termed as carpogonia, and male is known as sperm. Spermatangium. Spermatangium represent as male and Carpogonia represent as female. Another one, because the plant thallus are haploid, so they can prefer mitotic division. Mitosis division. In spermatangia, they develop spermatia. And Carpogonia develop egg. They represent as gametes. By fertilization, they became fuse and they develop zygote. That firstly represent as 2n diploid phase. That zygote undergoes meiosis division it develops meiospores. These meiospores in germination they became develop carposporophyte phase. Carposporophyte. At carposporophyte, they develop carposporogonium. Carposporogonium. Carposporogonium develops carpospores. There are also 2n. That division is mitosis cannot be reduce the genetic number. So here the carposporophyte is also 2n, carpogonium is 2n, and by mitotic division the carpospores are also in diploid number. These carpospores are germinate to develop tetrasporophyte. Tetrasporophyte. That tetrasporophytes develops tetrasporangia. Tetrasporangia. These tetrasporophytes are also 2n, and the tetrasporangia is also 2n. By reducing division, first consider as meiosis. First meiosis divisions occur in tetrasporangium, and they give rise to tetraspores. These tetraspores are developed inside, that is tetraspore, and by their liberation and germination, they give rise to develop a new gametophyte plant, thallus. In initial stage, we consider that two diploid phases, carposporophyte and tetrasporophyte, alter the gametophyte phase. So in this life cycle, tetraspores are haploid in nature. तो here tetraspore 2 हम कहाँ तक जाएंगे? गैमीट फॉर्मेशंस तक. तो यहाँ अगर हम देखें, फर्स्ट फेज, सेकंड एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा हमारा आता है जाइगोट का, देन स्टार्ट होता है कार्पोस्पोरोफाइट, एंड कार्पोस्पोरोफाइट टू कार्पोस्पोर्स. ये फेज आती है हैप्लॉइड और गैमेटोफाइट फेज. It is main and dominant. Main and dominant. That is 2n phase only represented by zygote, and it is not dominant. It is very short time. They are short lived. That is again 2n phase diploid, named as carposporophyte. It is also dominant phase, but it is parasite. or dependent. It is also parasite or dependent on gametophyte phase. The third phase is tetrasporophyte. It is again 2n diploid, ठीक है, termed as tetrasporophyte, and this phase is free living, not parasite, it is free living. तो इस डायग्राम में हम सीधे सीधे ये कंसिडर कर सकते हैं कि इन दिस काइंड ऑफ लाइफ साइकिल the alternation of generation is occurs. इसको एक बार रिपीट कर लेते हैं तो क्लियरली नोटिफाई हो जाएगा. According to the term or name, the dominant phase is preferred first. So the haplo, diplo and diplo. So the main parent thallus are gametophytes. In their reproductive season, they bears sexual reproductive organs, the male termed as spermatangium and the female termed as carpogonium. एक confusion दूर करना, in gamete या gametangia that considered as carpogonium, but in this that is known as carposporogonia, that is carposporogonia and that is carpogonia. Carpogonia develop egg and spermatangium develops spermatia. They are represented as male and female gametes. By the fusion or fertilization, they give rise to a diploid zygote. Zygote is also represented as diploid phase, but it is for very short time, या short period, so cannot be considerable. Zygote undergoes mitotic division and germination. It gives rise a carposporophyte thallus. That carposporophyte thallus is not free from the gametophyte. It is parasite or dependent on the gametophyte female organ or thallus. That carposporophyte under development stages develop carposporogonias. These carposporogonias develop carpospores by mitotic division. So carpospores are also in diploid phase 2n. In the next cycle, after liberation, they can give rise by germination. By germination, they give rise to tetrasporophyte. That tetrasporophyte is a free living stage, also diploid, but free living stage and free from the carposporo or gametophyte plant thallus. In development stage, it develops tetrasporangia, and these tetrasporangia are developed inside the filament or their thallus structure. These tetrasporangia mother cells give rise first meiosis division and develop tetraspores. These tetraspores are in haploid in nature. तो हमने शुरुआत की थी हैप्लॉइड से, डिप्लॉइड एंड अदर डिप्लॉइड. तो अब हमें वापस यहाँ पे आने के लिए क्या चाहिए था? हैप्लॉइड नंबर चाहिए था. इसलिए दे अंडरगोज meiosis डिवीजन, and by the germination of tetraspores they give rise to a parental plant. इन ट्राइफेजिक में एक जोरदार चीज़ ये है कि मीन्स फर्स्ट दे आर पेरेंट्स, तो इनकी जो प्रोजेनी है वो बिल्कुल इनके जैसे नहीं है, कुछ अलग यहाँ पे चीज़ हमें देखने को मिल रही है. सो देयर ग्रैंड्स आर नॉट मॉर्फोलॉजिकली सेम एंड दैट इज एक्स्ट्रा ग्रैंड. ठीक है, तो ये भी इसके जैसे नहीं है. मीन्स इन दिस टाइप ऑफ फेज first phase cannot be similar to the second. After alteration of two intermediate phases, the first phase is similar to the fourth phase, that is triphagic movement. In unfavorable conditions, the gametophyte thallus represent the sexual reproduction here. Sexual reproduction phase. Carposporophyte is a developing phase or intermediate phase, also considered as resting phase हम कह सकते हैं, that is the development phase and parasite on the sporophyte. And the tetrasporophyte represent as asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means sexual reproduction represented by gametophyte phase and asexual reproduction is represented by the tetraspores या tetrasporophyte phase. This type of life cycle is known as haplodiplodiploidic, and the best example of these phases are rhodophysi members. Example is Polysiphonia. रोडोफाइसी के मेंबर्स में ये चीज़ देखने को मिलती है एंड द बेस्ट एग्जांपल इज पॉलीसाइफोनिया. ओके देन स्टूडेंट्स, आज की क्लास में इतना ही.